Hi guys, in today's video I'll be reviewing this shampoo from Mielle Organics. So if you're interested in seeing that video, keep on watching. Alrighty, so my hair is fresh out of some mini twists. That is why you are able to see twist out curls, and that is why my hair looks kind of crazy. But what I'm gonna do is wet my hair first, section it, then I will be back to apply this shampoo. What I will say before I do that is that I have used this once before, so it isn't a first impressions. It's really just my overall review, so stay tuned for that if you're interested in hearing my thoughts. Alrighty, so I have rinsed my hair, rinsed out the product, and I've separated it in 4. And what I'm going to do is just do my typical shampoo routine and just judge how the product works on my hair. I know there is some controversy with Mielle, especially with the rosemary mint line, but so far my hair is still in pretty good shape. There is no excess breakage, there's no shedding, no excess shedding or no hair thinning. So I think I feel comfortable using Mielle until further notice. Although Mielle has indeed been sold to P&G, which is a white company. But we're here with this shampoo. My hair is wet, but I just want to get it soaked so that the product can lather, and I will just read through the instructions quickly. It says massage into wet hair until full lather forms. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and repeat as necessary. For best results, follow up using our Babassu oil and mint deep conditioner. Since I don't have the deep conditioner, I will just be using this shampoo and another deep conditioner for another video. I will wet my hair quickly. So my hair is wet and it is quite a watery consistency, as you're seeing. And I am just going to put a little bit, probably about that much. I can't really turn my hand because I don't want the product to fall. Emulsifying it. Ooh, I smell the mint. Yes, I do. Wow. That's what I enjoyed about this shampoo the first time I used it, the mint. And so far it has slipped, not that much, but enough to get my hair detangled. I wouldn't really use a detangling brush with this, but as you can see, it is lathering up pretty well. The first time I used this was when I had my braids in. I will post the iCard to the take down video of those braids, but that was the first time I actually used the shampoo, and it was somewhat moisturizing to my hair at that time. I'm not sure how it will be when my hair is out of the braids, but so far it's cleaning my scalp really well. I'm going to rinse out my hair and I'll be back with the second wash. My hair is washed out and I'm just going in with a second wash, just out of, I guess, habit's sake. Just out of habit. So as you can tell, the lather is really nice. That's what I enjoyed about using this shampoo first. And I like that it is a cleansing shampoo. There is not that much slip this second time around, but still a little bit, enough to do a little finger detangling, so it's okay. I will rinse my hair out, I will wash the rest of my hair, then I'll be back with my final thoughts. Alright, so I am done. And you know that I try to be as honest with my reviews as possible. This Babassu Conditioning Shampoo is not conditioning at all. It definitely is a cleansing shampoo, but I wouldn't really say that it is conditioning. I wouldn't say that at all. It feels, my hair feels like it got a mild clarify, and I clarified my hair last week, so to double cleanse my hair like that, I would really have to go in with a deep conditioner to replenish the moisture. But I'm not mad at the shampoo because I was able to get a nice lather, and a little does go a long way. I've already used the shampoo twice and it is just right here. Some shampoos would have already been down here, but I'm glad that a little goes a long way. I will not say that this is a conditioning shampoo, as I said, and it says that it is a gentle cleanser. Gentle is a stretch. It is a cleanser. I wouldn't say it is gentle. It's just a cleanser. And it has moisturizing ingredients to soften and strengthen the hair. I don't know about softening the hair because my hair does not feel that soft. I have had more moisturizing shampoos before, but this is not a terrible shampoo. I definitely would use this as more clarifying shampoo, if anything, but I wouldn't say that it is a moisturizing shampoo. So with that being said, my rating for this shampoo, I'd have to give it a 6.5. It is not a bad shampoo, but I've had better moisturizing shampoos. But as I said, it is not a bad shampoo overall. So if you're looking for a shampoo that isn't too moisturizing but will give your hair a nice clean, definitely check this one out. No, this isn't sponsored, but I just thought, you know, maybe if you're looking for a shampoo, definitely check this one out. And yes, I wish it was more moisturizing. I really did, but I cannot complain because my scalp has a nice clean. So yes, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, definitely leave a like, and if you want to see more content from me, subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me, and share this video with someone who's interested in natural hair content or a review on this shampoo, definitely send this video to them. And while you're at it, check out videos that will pop up on your screen and look out for my next video, which is coming very soon. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.